See, when we suppose that I have created some list, okay, this is a list, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if when I print something, some list, it means we are accessing all the elements from 0 to this index 3, right? So this is the way we write, this is the called slicing. If you write 1 to 50, it means it will start from here and it will go up to the last element, right? These all are the slicing thing. If you just write 1 and colon, don't write anything, means automatically it will take 1 to all the elements. If something you write blank to 3, means it will start from 0 to 3. Means by default it is 0 here. See here. If you write 0 to 3 or if you write like this, both are same. Remember?
Yes, sir.
See, both will give the same. So
So,
similarly, if you don't write anything, it means it is up to the end of the element. If you don't write anything, it means the from the very beginning of the element to this index. Yeah, tell me, you have
so,
questions. Mhm.
so this is like similar to range, is it?
Sorry,
This is similar to range.
range. Yeah, yes, similar to. That's why it has also similar kind of concept. Here, a start, a stop, and a step. See here. So you write any list name, then a square bracket, and these three things you can give.
Mm-hmm. So what is a double quote and then a number one that I saw Pranavi using one day?
Double quote and number. There was dictionary.
Okay. That wasn't set.
Yeah,
Right?
no dictionary. Suppose that a variable, I create a variable. I don't know, my previous backlight is not good. It's just torching on my head. Don't about that. Don't listen to her. She has no knowledge of any kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Suppose that something like this. I want to have Jania.
What did you say, sir? What were you saying?
I was just kidding something.
I didn't even hear. I was thinking about this.
Yeah, great. Randeep is how old he is? 15 or 16. This is a dictionary, but I don't want to talk about this now. See, this, are you asking about this?
No, sir. It was like, wait, let me send it in the chat box. So it's like
No.
square brackets, and
Okay.
inside that, uh, uh, this one, and then something like this. I
Like
think.
that. Oh, you sent something? Oh, double column. Yeah, this one.
No, that one's
Yes.
reversed.
No, not reverse. Actually, yeah, that one. Then it should have been okay. If you
That
don't
one
give
is
a
reversed.
start and a stop, okay, just you give a step. It means it will take from 0 to. If you don't give anything, it will become 0. If you don't give a stop, it means it will be the last of the element, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here, suppose that I have created this one your top. Somewhere it should come. What is list one here? I'll create some list one, a big list one, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? So list one. If I write 1 colon 1 to 5 colon 1. So it is starting from this index to
Fine.
this
Okay.
index, because this index will be 0 to that, right?
Yes.
With the step of 1. Now let us do, oh, sorry. Okay. And I'll just remove this. So this will also give the same, means by default value is 1 here, right?
Yes.
Now I will make it a step of 2. It means a step value is 2 here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So every second element it will take. Starting from this, every second elements. So the first element, second element, right? Suppose I will make it 10. See? So starting from this one index, 2, 4. Listen here, Randev. This is good. This is required for you as well.
Oh, okay. I was
Yeah,
learning.
yeah,
Did I miss anything important?
yeah. Like just I'm revising that day what we have learned couple of days back. The slicing of the list. This is required in the a string as well.
Can you teach from start, sir?
No, listen here carefully. I'm already revising for her. Then again, I'll revise for you. How many times should I revise? Tell me.
Until we get it, sir.
Come on.
Continue, sir.
Yeah, you guys are taking me for granted. I need to talk to your parent.
You can talk to my parents, sir. My parents know who I am. I'm not taking you for granted.
How many times should I revise? Just I started
Sir,
revising.
you didn't tell me anything. You said focus on the question. I was doing the question.
You don't, do you know slicing or not? Do you know list slicing? Did
To some
we?
extent, yes,
I
but
I
no.
taught you that day, right? Like if you write some list name, a square bracket, opening, closing a square bracket, a start, a stop, and a step. These are the three values we need to give.
Oh yeah, it takes from this to this, and the range
Yeah,
is like it starts from
yeah.
this element to this element. That one.
Yeah. Suppose that I have created list one is this list of the element. If I'll print list one, it will give us all the elements, right? If I'll write 0 to 4, this is what that day you are asking, we are discussing. So if you don't, let's see, I'll print list one of 0. It means 0 means it will give you first element. Did it give or not? This is what that day we are discussing, right?
Yes, sir, but you can't end the class until you explain me the range you were talking about yesterday.
The same thing what I said here, same thing is happening in the range. What I said you just now. In range L, this is dependent on the this thing. We are generating range from 0 due to this region only what I'm explaining you here.
Okay.
And listen it carefully. If
No, sir,
I'm
okay.
creating this list one here, first element will be stored
Zero.
at the index 0.
Sir, yes.
If I'll tell you what is your roll number in the class, it's not 1. It will start from 0. It means this is 0 index. So let me create some list with a string, okay? Suppose that these are the guys, Amit. These are the guys who are in the class, okay? Raju, Randeep,
Why,
and
sir?
I'm teacher, so I don't have to put my name, okay? So it means I have created a list of this string having four string, right? Four string. I don't want to miss Parnavi. At least her name should be here. 5 name, okay? So if I want to access this Amit, only Amit, then what I will do?
You will say list zero and then print list of
List
zero.
one of 0. This is called list one of 0.
Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
will give you Amit. It means the first element at the 0 index. This is the index.
Yes, sir.
This is what yesterday I was explaining you. And this is required because if I'll tell you range, why range? Same thing if I'll do this, okay? I in range of list 1.
Len list.
You're right. Let us print I. What it is giving? 0,
Index.
1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the index. I am generating index with range. It's nothing like that. I can have some other ways to also generate the index. I don't want to put that. I want to put some in list name, suppose indices. Okay. Any variable name I can put here. Indices equal to I can create a list like this also. Because range is ready-made thing I can easily generate. So that is another way. So same thing. this indices, I must be starting from 0 so that I can access element of that index. See.
Okay.
So if you don't understand, again, when I'm explaining you some concept, you start to feel sleepy.
I'm not sleepy, sir. When I'm
You're
thinking,
just,
my brain is just like that. No, no, no. This time I'm not, I'm dead as not sleepy.
you're not sleepy, but you're not focusing. See here. This
Sir.
is what yesterday I was explaining you. Same thing what I'm writing here. And again, you'll miss, then I don't know. I cannot help then hereafter.
No, sir. I'm not missing, sir. I'm paying my fullest attention.
Right?
If you want, you can ask me questions in the middle, sir, to test.
No, I don't want to ask question. I'm not interested. I want to know you can solve the assignments or not. Yeah, you can write some code or not yourself. You can remember the concept or not. Those things I'm more interested in. This is what I was telling you. So whether you put indices here or whether you put here, where it is gone, range of this length, both are same because I want to get the element of that index, and that index I'm generating using range here. So because if I want to access first element, that should have that will be on the 0 index. Janya, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
This
what?
is very clear, sir, because you said that 10 times. I understood.
I said 1,000 times or at least 100 times from since I started this list. Then don't ask again. Again you'll get
No, you only said that 10 times, not the rest.
this yesterday I was explaining you this why this range. Similarly, if you go to that range thing, if I want to print this list in the reverse order from this way to that way, then what I will do? I can write two codes, two different ways. Either I can write, I know, -4. Eventually, how many elements are there? 5, right? Yes. So -3, -2, -1, 0. This is one way. So it will give me the reverse order.
No, sir.
Hey, not
Sir, I have one
reverse.
question, sir.
Hold. Hold for a second. List 1 of I -4. Okay. Oh, sorry.
One second, sir.
Actually, it just,
Something
I
myself.
have to remove the minus here. Unnecessarily decreasing order. Na? See, we got the reverse order. So this is one way. Another way I can write again here using a range.
One second.
Range 4 to -1, comma -1. This is what yesterday I was writing. But this I was just writing like this yesterday. Len of list 1 -1. Because list of len of list 1 will be 5.
Sir, like 4 is the fourth element. -1 is the
Fifth
last element.
element. 4 is the fifth element.
Yeah, sorry. Fourth is the fifth element. -1 is the last element.
No, -1 we have to give because we have to give one extra here. That is the nature of range.
So -1 is the last element, right? No?
No, 0 will be the last element. If I'll put 0 here, then it will take only 0 -1 up to first element only. See. So
Oh,
we
0
have to give one
minus.
less there. Always we have to give one less. One
Okay.
either one extra or one less.
Let me share my screen.
Oh no. No, don't, Randeep.
No, sir, I
We
have
are
to.
going very through. If you put -1, then that's different thing.
Oh, oh, what is so
Minus
different?
one means backward direction. Like I also missed that for a while.
Wait,
Minus
isn't that
one.
what I was saying too, sir?
No.
Oh, sir, so you're teaching a different concept than this?
This is a backward. This is backward direction accession of the element.
Backward indexing.
Yeah,
Not
backward indexing.
right here.
Yeah. This is backward indexing. This is different.
No, sir, but then what are you teaching now, sir? Isn't this what you're teaching?
That one is just already covered. Just you stop sharing. I will explain you that.
No, sir. Not
Necessarily, we are getting hanged in the
getting
loop.
what? We're not getting anything, sir.
We are hanged in the loop. Let me
Sir.
start sharing,
Oh
and
my God.
then I will. Should I start sharing?
Yes, sir. Start sharing.
You are mixing up two things.
I don't know what to do, sir. I don't know what to do.
You just need to go through this notebook once again.
Which notebook?
Forward this one.
What's the notebook called?
Python list 003 Python list dot. See, the forward indexing means the first element will be at the 0 index, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Backward indexing means if you want to access this element, it will be -1, -2, -3, -4. This you are talking about there.
Yeah. And what are you talking about?
I am talking about range. Range and slicing, those things. So these are all, see, backward, forward indexing, backward indexing. But we are talking about slicing using range. All this is like yesterday. See, yesterday I was writing something like this, right? Then you ask why you're writing -1 3 times. This was your
Yes.
question.
I
Oh,
still don't understand.
oh man, then what should I do for you?
Sir, listen to me for a bit, sir. I will share.
Oh, okay, I'll stop to
I
say.
think Janya.
No, how long we are left with? So, Janya, are you with me now? Or
Yes, sir.
let
This
us.
key came out of my keyboard.
Oh, sorry.
This key came out of my keyboard. I'm
Your
trying to fix it.
which keyword?
Keyboard, key.
Oh, keyboard.
Yeah.
What came?
This key came out.
Where is key?
This one.
I don't see. Oh, that one you're talking about. So what you messaged?
Yeah, no. My
Mhm.
what I messaged is run first one Pranavi one day used this colon and
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, okay, got it. Okay, let me start from there. Okay, those things I was explaining. Sandeep, you practice this. You go through this notebook carefully. Okay, if you don't, just read this list chapter from the book. If still you don't understand, then I cannot. I don't know. How should I help you?
Okay, sir.
Read. You have to read. You have to spend some time on this.
I
Otherwise,
will
you
do
will
what I
just
will.
you'll again drag me back there. I don't want to do that. I'm really sorry to
I'll
say
do
that,
what I
but
do before tomorrow's class, sir.
chapter 10 list. You read a bit here. Either you go through that notebook or read this chapter. See, list 0, list 1, like this. They are explaining here also same thing. Okay. Or that notebook, this notebook.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Yeah. So, Janya, I was telling you that time when I gave this a starting index, a start, a stop, and a step, right?
Mhm.
If I'll skip a start, a step here, right? When I gave a start is 1. This is my list, right? This is my list. When I gave a starting 1 means second element. 1 means second element because this is the zeroth element. You call it zeroth element, first element, second index, okay, third index, like that. So if I let us skip one after another, okay, I'll type like this colon 2. What will happen? By default, it will take 0 here. When we don't type anything,
Will
that
take
will be
0.
0. When we don't type this one, it will take the last element. Okay.
Okay.
When we don't type anything here, it will take 1. So that is called default value. Default start value is 0. Default stop value is len of list -1. Whatever the last element you can say.
Yes.
That is the last element. Then default step value is 1. If you skip any one of them, this one will take place. If I'm skipping here, it means it will take 0. It means it will print my first element as well,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll create again this one here. I'll remove this one, 10. It means what? It
It will
will
take,
skip the,
yeah.
still it will take the this last element of the, right? Because here I was putting 10. So yeah, let's put 11. You got it?
Okay. Yes.
Now I'll skip the last one.
Sir, will this be added to the notebook also? Will it
Yeah.
update?
No, I need to upload this notebook, then you can see. Let me rename
Please
it.
upload, sir.
I'll just rename it, okay? Revisited, okay? I'll upload this name, this notebook there. Now you see, it means what is happening? 0 to last element, a step by 1. This is what she was writing.
Okay.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that makes sense now.
Now, yeah.
And also the next message that I sent, Randi Pandey put list 1 is equal to int input enter a number and then enter slice is equal to inverted commas comma in between them.
When we write here -1, it automatically does. It automatically swap the value. If you see here, that's interesting actually. When our step value is -1, it is automatically switching the value of a start and a stop.
Okay.
You can see this here, -1. It is just going to the first element. A start value is this one, the last element, and the stop value is the 0th. That is first element. Got it?
Oh, my mistake.
Okay. Okay, this one. A split thing. He was using some split thing.
Yes, sir.
The split is to like make the element go one by one.
Mm.
And the
We'll come to that one also. This one, right? Will come. But did you understand this one? This is interesting concept.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this is very interesting feature. Now, if I want alternate element from the reverse order, then what I
this,
will do? Tell me.
this is what I used for the palindrome question.
Yes. I want to access alternate element in reverse order, or maybe from the starting from the last element to the first one. You get my question?
Mm-hmm. Alternate elements starting
This is the
from
question.
okay.
Then
Starting.
what changes should I make?
So the second value should be
I want 11,
mhm.
9, 7, 5, 4, 2. That's all.
Then you should just change the step value to 2.
Not 2. Negative way, right?
Yes.
This is what I was asking you. Good. Yeah, 11975. Randeep, are you getting this? Are you here or you are not?
I'm here, sir.
Great. I guess
Yeah.
we completed the slicing part.
Okay, sir. We can come. We can do the class tomorrow. We can continue tomorrow.
Same thing what you have seen till now, Janya. This was practice around that.
Okay.
That's all. We have already completed this. This was the revision of slicing thing. And let me take one example. Let me solve one assignment for you.
Okay, we don't have much time left, sir.
How much? How long we have? Oh, 1 minute. Okay, then let us take tomorrow.
And this notebook
Okay,
is
sir. Let's continue tomorrow.
003 Python list slicing.
Yeah, revisited.
Okay.
I'll drop the link. Don't worry. Okay, I guess
Oh,
we are good here. And thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.
thank
Bye
you,
bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care.
See you.